Truth Reveal TV. As you guys are enjoying this video, please support this channel by clicking on the thumbs up button. After doing that, please click on the red subscribe button so that you'll be subscribed to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. Hello guys, welcome to Truth Reveal TV. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that anytime a news drops, you'll be the first person to know. So today we'll be talking about Peter Paul Okoye. You guys know P Square already. He's a very big star in Nigeria, a very big music star, and he's a twin brother. Like, he and his twin brother, they are called P Square. So there's a news reaching out, like, that's been circulating today, and the news is concerned, like, it's saying that he has divorced. Like, P Square star Paul Okoye and his wife Anita allegedly part ways as divorce papers leaks online. So it was reported that his wife Anita filed a divorce paper for him, so that, like, she needs a divorce. So the reports had made the rounds on social media of celebrity couple Paul and Anita Okoye getting set to part ways. The reports gained prominence on social media after what appeared to be their divorce papers leaked on the internet. The couple have yet to deny or accept the claims, but fans have already reacted to the news in different ways. There appears to be trouble in the paradise of celebrity couple Paul Okoye of P Square and his wife Anita. Reports recently made the rounds on social media that the couple were parting ways after what appears to be their divorce papers leaking online. In a legal document cited by us on the social media space, it was gathered that Anita had filed for divorce from her husband. So Anita was the one that initiated this divorce. So but what actually happened? We are here to get this report, because this kind of we have not get any like any feedback or like word out of Peter, the P Square star. So we are here to, like, hear from them. But this kind of the divorce paper circulating online. So, and let me read the divorce paper. So it's saying, in the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory in the Abuja Judicial Division, holding at Abuja, between Anita Tonye Okoye and Paul Nonso Okoye, petitioner. They are the petitioner. Respondent: notice of petition to Paul Nonso Okoye of number 128 Eko Street, Parkview Estate, Ikoyi, Lagos. Number one, take notice. This is that a petition has been presented to the above named court by Anita Tonye Okoye, instituting proceedings for a decree of dissolution of marriage. So Anita Tonye Okoye was the one that is filing for this divorce against the P Square star Paul Okoye. So number two says, a sealed copy of the petition is delivered to you with the notice. If you intend to consult a solicitor in connection with the proceedings, you should take to him all the documents delivered to you. The form of acknowledgement of service delivered to you with this notice should be completed and signed by you. Whether you or your legal practitioner should immediately return same to the petitioner's legal practitioner. Number 5, if you desire to deny any fact alleged in the petition, B, to allege any additional fact for the consideration of the court, to submit to the court that it should dismiss any of the proceedings instituted by the petitioner, to make any submission to the court. You should file an answer to the petition. Then number 6, if you wish to institute proceedings for dissolution of marriage, nullity of marriage, judicial separation, or retention of conjugal rights, you may do so in an answer to the petition filled by you. If you institute proceedings for dissolution of marriage on the ground that the petitioner has committed adultery, you may also by the answer institute proceeding in respect of, yeah, that didn't okay. Yeah, that didn't they I think there might be more text below, but it didn't show. So but this is the petition that his wife and that leaked online that his wife filed against him. So he's meant to respond to that and like accept it, then like they'll go ahead and sign the divorce deal. So the couple, however, may not. Yeah, the couples like they have not acknowledged the reports making the rounds, so we have not even heard from Paul Okoye or anybody close to them to like to confirm if this. Yeah, so a look through Anita's page also indicates that she has been out of the country for a while with their three children. So even if you look at Anita's page, yeah, it shows that she has been out. She has not been in Nigeria for a while now. So like that people have already been reacting to the news already. So and there's been even, yeah, it has circulate a lot. Like, yeah, most people even know about this. Then this is it, guys. So let me just let me read through some news online. Yeah. So Sun News says breaking, rude boy marriage hits rock as wife files for divorce by Christian Agadibe. So the marriage between Paul Okoye aka Rude Boy, one half of the defunct music group P Square, and his entrepreneurial wife Anita Tony Okoye is over as the latter has filed for divorce. So the wife has filed for divorce. Sources close to the couple disclosed that an official petition citing irreconcilable differences as the basis for divorce was filed at Abuja High Court recently. The couple got married in 2014 after dating for 10 years, and they both have three beautiful children together. The news of the couple impending divorce comes as a rude shock to both of their families and close friends. Yeah, it actually came as like um a shock to me. But when I saw it was P Square, I was like kind of very shocked too because I never like anticipated that happening. Although we know that before now he and his twin they're having issues. They're like they are not in talking terms. Yeah, for a while now. So maybe people might see that as maybe this kind of thing should like it is anticipated to happen if they can like a twin brother that has been doing music for years, like they grew their career together, they made their money together, and out of suddenly they just break up and they are not in talking terms. So that is kind of maybe a thing that some people might say, okay, they say, okay, this kind of thing can happen if they can behave such. So so let's continue. The sources further revealed that both parties will proceed amicably with the legal resolution of the marriage and be the best parents to their children. Paul and Anita have always been very good friends, and like every couple, they have had issues for a while but plan to remain on good terms and keep the friendship they have always had since their days as university students, the source said. Okay. So they I think this thing is trying to tell us that um the divorce is going to take place, like it's just going to take place. There's no like, okay, let's settle things, like let's come back together. I think this thing is just telling us that the source they got from the close friends and their family, just saying that this divorce is going to take place. There's no like resolution, and they are vowed to themselves to keep their friendship, because their friendship has been, even before they got married during their university days. I think they dated around 10 years. So but I really doubt that if him and his brother would just like, okay, you started as a kid, you grew up like this, you made money through this, and you just out of a sudden you broke up and you are not in talking terms. I really doubt that they are going to be in talking terms. But meanwhile, let us go. Meanwhile, Anita has since relocated with the children to the United States of America, where she is studying for a master's degree. Wow. All effort to reach Paul Okoye for confirmation has been unsuccessful. This I'll make sure I post here, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you don't miss out of any latest gist that is coming out. So at this section of this post, we'll be reading some comments that people have been dropping on this issue. So like yeah, so let's read this one. Okay, our first comment, this is, that's why you don't allow a woman to get in between you and your blood. You get why. Subs. This comment says, if he can choose not to reconcile with his own brother, oh, who you can be. This can not happen. Please God, help them reconcile, whatever the difference is. This cannot happen. Christ, please God, help them reconcile, whatever the difficult difference is. It's not even the Yoruba woman that divorced her husband. E shock us. Una see say tribalism no reach this one. No. So this comment is trying to say, the other of his twin married a Yoruba woman. Yeah. So, and I heard that like they were like kind of their parents didn't want that marriage to work because she's from Yoruba or like from another tribe. So they wanted him to marry his own tribe. So this comment was saying that even his brother that married to a different tribe didn't even divorce him. It's him that married from his own tribe that divorces him. So tribalism is not in marriage, something like that. Okay, this says, my marriage will work in Jesus' name, Christ. And the other one is thriving successfully. That his brother is thriving successfully. This should tell you guys that tribe has nothing to do with marriage compatibility. Why is divorce rampant these days? My marriage will last in Jesus' name. Paul was so determined to ruin his brother's marriage simply because his brother married another tribe. Lesson. So lesson. When you stay in the way of people's happiness, yours will be taken away. Selah. When we say money can't keep anything, that wasn't meant to be this. Is what we mean. It's sad. Okay, let me go again. When we say money can't keep anything, that wasn't meant to be this. To be this is what we mean. It's sad. Could it be that the boy is really rude? Wow. Okay, that's that for that. These are the comments we'll be taking, the few comments that we'll be taking. So guys, please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a video. So guys, I'll be following this news bumper to bumper to know the latest updates on this. So make sure you are subscribed so that anytime a new info drops, when I post it, you'll be the first person to be notified and know what's up. Thank you guys. Let's call it a day.